Hey everyone, Brian Smith coming back at you with another SoundSwitch video. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm set up in my studio here. It's really my kitchen. Show off a little bit of a SoundSwitch show that I scripted with a track that you guys might be familiar with if you've heard some of our SoundSwitch or checked some of the SoundSwitch official videos. So right now I'm going to go to a screenshot of the computer and I'm going to walk you guys through what it looks like, and then we'll cut over and we'll show you guys the light show. So let me walk you through what I have set up here. So I'm running 4 Chauvet EZWedge Tris, battery powered, and then I'm running a Core 3x3. So these are how they're set up in my venue. I run a master venue, so everything's kind of programmed in the way it is. So in some of these big build-ups, what I've done is I've used color chases for my EZWedges for the uplights. And then when we go down to the Core 3x3, I've set a couple of different chases using the chase tools over here. So color chase and the random chases here, random, alternating, whatever you want to use. I'm using alternating chases in both diagonal and inline with 3 lights selected right in here. So actually I'll show you what that looks like. So let me highlight that. So we just have to highlight it on the group. Group, alternating chase, select the group. So I'm going to do the light count of 3, and then we're going to do the chase pattern as diagonal right here with a forward chase with a quarter beat length. And then that just drops that right in there. So that's exactly what I had there, so there we go. So that's how we do this. This was a breakdown when I automated the track. So this whole track was, master track was automated and I tweaked it. So here in this breakdown right along here, I added some flash pulses, which you can find under intensity. So we do some flash pulses in here, threw those in there. I added in a color transition. And then now we get back down to the song kind of gets a little intense again. And I've added in some more chase effects here. And I also did a color transition on my uplights on the EZWedges. And while that's going, the Core 3x3 also has inline and then diagonal chase running through here. So just some tweaks that I made to the master track, or made to the track in the groups and the fixtures themselves. So all automated, added in a couple of these chases, and that's the show that you're just about to see. So hope you guys enjoyed that scripting, that show that I put together. You know, I did that mostly with automation, made some tweaks here and there. SoundSwitch is great for doing all kinds of stuff like this. There's some really cool things that you can do here. If you want to see more of this, please let me know. One of the big problems is obviously finding some tracks that I can use that YouTube won't give me the slap on the wrist for using in my videos. So I'm going to try to get some more of these out to you, but I'm going to do some searching for some good music that I think is going to work well for you guys. Please, if you enjoy this, please subscribe, like, comment, all those things that everyone on YouTube wants you to do. Thanks for checking this video out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.